Hello YouTubers! Welcome once again to our channel for all the latest news on cryptocurrencies. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you get updated with our latest videos. Today we'll be talking about something that could very well pique your interest when it comes to latest crypto news, and that is AtomicWallet and its exchange feature. There are tons of cryptocurrency wallets out there, but most can be a little confusing and intimidating to understand. In AtomicWallet, in just 2 clicks, you'll be able to exchange crypto and see from over 100+ pairs available for exchange. AtomicWallet has a huge range of crypto tokens and coins available for support, which you can easily see on the app. By just using AtomicWallet, you'll be able to exchange all your favorite crypto coins. Sound good so far? Of course, there is the important question to ask: how exactly does it work? Like we said, it's very simple. Once you're on the app and have all that you need set up, you just click the left sidebar and click on Exchange. On the screen, you'll see several pairs to choose from. Just choose whatever pair you want and enter the amount you have from your available balance. You can also press Send All if the option is necessary. At the bottom of the screen, we'll show the exchange rates for the pair you've chosen. When you enter the amount to exchange, the estimated amount will then pop out. Take into consideration the movement of the market, as the estimated amount will vary almost each time. Before you confirm, make sure to review that everything is correct. Once you're set, click Exchange, and you should be done in around 20 minutes. Should any complications arise, such as technical difficulties with the exchange, don't worry. AtomicWallet has great contact support, and you can easily reach out to them to inquire, and all the necessary information will already be attached. AtomicWallet was first established in 2018 and has been growing every second of every day since then. As time passes by, accept new crypto pairs with each new release, giving users a wide variety of options. All their favorite coins can be exchanged by using Atomic. Did you enjoy this video? Drop a comment below letting us know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when we have a new video ready for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.